Anyone tell me what is the number of trial based on this statement? For any week taken at random. Is it 5? Any week. Yes. So the n. So you see, that's why very important. N equal to 7. Okay. And if you don't know, you look at A, you also know already. When they ask A, for any week. So n equal to 7. So now what is X? Can you define X? X is, find the probability of the 8 a.m. bus being on time. So what is X, your variable? Can someone just say it, then Miss Lo write down? Brandon, you want to try to define X? You have to learn how to define because in your writing out of folio, correct? You have to define your parameter. This is called your parameter. Things that you want to study about. Okay, someone have given me, or you have bio SAT later. Okay, I will. So remind me, okay, remind me. Okay, number of times the bus is on time. Okay, X is the number of time that the bus is on time in a week. Can or not? So now we know that the possible value for X will be 0, 1, until the last one is 7. Okay? Or if you don't want to use number of times, you will say number of days that the bus is on time in a week. Can or not? Also can. That will be much better. Am I right? Okay, so now what is the probability that the bus will be on time? That is P. Can anyone tell me? Okay, they say on average, 2 days out of 5 is late. So 3 out of 5 is on time. All right, so we want to talk about on time. So you have to read the question carefully. So now, so our X, so after we define all these, we know that X is a binomial distribution. So whether the bus is on time today and not tomorrow, will it affect? No, it is an independent trial, correct? Does it have a fixed number of trial? The answer is a yes. Okay, so it fulfill the binomial distribution. So our n equal to 7 and P equal to 3/5. Okay, we have done all this already. So now we can go to part A. What do you mean by probability of all 7 days on time? Okay, this one means probability of X equal to 7. Am I right? So how are you going to get this? There are 2 ways. One is by formula. One is using your GC. So I'm going to show both. So by formula, still remember? Still remember the formula? N C R P to the power of R and Q to the power of N minus R. Okay? So you can get the answer. If you want to use your GC class, please take out your GC. Go to second vase. Select A, that is binom PDF. PDF, P means a particular value of X. That is, you're talking about X equal to R. Are you clear? Okay, so you get that? I believe you know what to key in, correct? Do you know what to key in? Hello? You know what to key in, huh? Trial is 7. P is 3/5. And X value, we only have one X value, which is 7. Okay, then you will get the answer. Do you get that? Enter. Okay, so you get 0.0279936, correct? So you approximate to 3 significant figure 280. Okay? Done? Okay, now look at part B. Only on Monday. Okay, if I put this only on Monday, do you think I can use this formula? Do you think I can use this formula? This is a special condition. Only on Monday. So that means it's like that. Probability. Only one situation. Monday, yes, on time. Then the rest of the other 7 days are not. 6 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not on time. So the answer for this is just one possible outcome. That is okay. Whoever is late for the attendance, you please text me. Okay, then I will update accordingly. Okay. You while I'm teaching, you want me to record down all that? That is impossible for me to do that. Sorry. Okay, so there's only one outcome. So that is 3/5 times the others. There are 6 of them, so power 6. So this is the answer. So you have to be very careful. Okay, whatever is it about your attendance, you please text me personally. Please don't put in the class. Let me focus in teaching, can or not? Okay. I trust you that you tell me the truth, okay? Okay, so be very careful, huh? You cannot use the formula because there is one and only way only. So that is the answer. Are you clear? So if there is a special condition, you have to read the condition and do according to the condition, the criteria given. Are you okay? For part C, if they say on any 6 day, then that can. Any 6 days. This means the same as saying x equal to 6. So you use your GC and get the answer. Okay? Hello? Can or not?
We can also use formula, right, for this question?
Yeah, you can use formula, but from now onward, you don't have to use formula. Please don't waste your time using formula. Just go to your GC and get it done. And write down whatever shown in the GC, then round it off to 3 significant figures. Get me? So you use binom PDF. Listen, the first one is NP. Okay, that's how you key in. Then you get the answer. Equal sign, you use PDF. Okay, now I want to go to part D. Can we? Hello? Can we move to part D? Hey, you don't respond. Yeah, Queen, can we move to part D?
Yes.
Or everyone is studying biology? We move to part D, and I'm going to teach you how to use your GC also. Okay, part D. Okay, probability of on at least 4 days. So what does this mean? If I write in mathematical symbol, it will be X at least means greater than or equal to 4. If I write it, because it's discrete, that means X equal to 4 plus probability of X equal to 5 plus probability of X equal to 6 plus probability of X equal to 7. So I use binom PDF 4 times. So if I don't want, what I can do is I can write this as 1 minus probability of X equal to 0 plus probability of X equal to 2, 1 plus probability of X equal to 2 plus probability of X equal to 3, correct? Can I do like that? So it makes this can be written as probability of X less than or equal to 3. Then this one, you can use your graphic calculator. You go to second verse. Everyone, please. Okay, you select binom CDF. C means cumulative. That means from X equal to 0 right up to whatever you written down here. So binom CDF is for less than or equal to. Are you clear? Okay, then you can get your answer. So be very careful when you use your binom CDF and your binom PDF. Number of trial, 7. P-value, 3/5. X value, 3. That means from 0 to 3. They sum up for you. So do you get this? 0.289792. Okay, then you take away 1. So the answer is 0.710208. So equal to 0.710. Are you clear? Binom CDF. Okay, binom PDF is for equal, one value, particular value. Binom CDF is for less than or equal to. Okay? Can I move? Can I? Okay, let's go to, hey, your response. I know you got biology test. If you don't respond, then I cannot finish
Miss Doe,
discuss your problem. Yes?
I put X value as 3, right?
Mm. You don't get this.
I always get an error value.
What do you mean you get an error? Okay. When you use your binom, okay, second distribute. Okay, do you, when you go to, okay,
L1
binom,
is 0
binom
to 7, is
CDF.
it?
Binom CDF is B, eh? Okay, do you go to binom CDF or binom PDF?
Binom CDF.
No, CDF, young man.
Yeah,
Cumulative.
CDF. Yeah,
Okay, you CDF. Then you see trial. Do you get that? You put 7.
yeah, yeah,
A p-value 3/5.
yeah,
X value. You put 3.
yeah,
Okay, then you go there, they paste, you paste already, correct? Then they paste into your calculator, correct? Then come out this, correct? 7, 3/5, then 3. So then did you put enter?
yeah,
Then after that, you put enter. You get this number?
yeah, I got it now.
Okay.
I think
So
I
it's the
didn't
way.
clear L1.
You cannot press 2 times the enter, then it come out different number.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so be very careful. PDF, particular value. CDF, from 0 right up to the value. That means it's for less than or equal to. Okay? Done? Okay, let's go to question 5. Everyone look at question 5. Infection flu. COVID-19, correct? Now they said the Delta variants is like flu. So don't have to worry. Make sure your immune system is strong. Okay, now tell me what is the N, number of trial? What is the number of trial for this case? Okay, good, 25. What is X? Number of students. What? Having the flu next week. Correct? So that is your x. So your possible value for x will be 0 right up to 25. Okay. So probability of success is 0.3. Am I right? So your x is a binomial distribution because one student having a flu doesn't affect the other student, correct? But theoretically they do, correct? Okay, so n is 25. And p is equal to 0.3. Okay, so now calculate the probability that 2 or more students from Mr. X class will have the flu next week. Probability 2 or more. All right? Yeah. So what you can do is 1 minus probability of x less than 2 because you want to include 2. So this one will be 1 minus binom CDF 25 0.3. Here I'm supposed to put 1 or 2. Can someone tell me? This number, what should it be? 1 or 2? The x value. Huh? 1. Because 2 is not included. Yeah. So you get the answer. Okay. So you see, you got your graphic calculator very easy. You don't have to bother about the formula. You just remember the formula, each part of them, what does that mean? Then can you do? Are you okay? So you can check the answer from your textbook. Okay, B. If more than 20% of the students have the flu next week, a class test will have to be cancelled. What is the probability that the test will be cancelled? Okay, more than 20% of the students. So what is the number of students that's supposed to get flu? So you have to calculate 20% of 25. Please count what is the value for 20% of the 25. 25 times 0.25. Hey, 25 times 0.2. 0.2 times 25. Okay, so 5 students. So that is how you go. So probability of X. Probability. What is the probability that, okay, probability test. Sorry, probability test. Test will be cancelled. How test will be cancelled? If X is more than 5. 20%, more than 20%. So can I have equal? If I have more than, can I have equal? No. So that means X must be more than 5. More than 20% of the students have flu. Right? So this will be 1 minus binom CDF 25 0.3 Should I write 5 here? Or should I write 4 here? I should write 5 because it must be more than 5. So 6 onward. 0 to 5, don't want. Okay, so you use your calculator and count and you get the answer. So you see, for this particular test, it's not how well you can calculate. It's, do you know how to translate the situation into a question? Then use your graphic calculator and help you to calculate. Get me? Okay, let's look at question. Can I move? Huh? Is it okay? Cindy? Cindy? Are you in my class? Yun Xuan? Yu Xuan?
Yeah,
Or study biology?
no.
Huh? Cindy study biology? Uma ne? Uma also study biology.
No, miss.
No. Okay, so are you okay, everyone? Okay, let's look at question 7. So sometimes the question give you the hint, you take the hint, okay? You don't have to know how to play tennis, but you still can. Okay, Martina beats Jelena in 2 games out of 3 at tennis. What is the probability that Jelena win a set of tennis 6 games to 4? So that means in total, they play, in total, they play how many games? They play how many games? 10 games. Okay, 10 games. Okay, good. So now they say, what does the score after 9 games need to be? So that means this is telling you, okay, the 10 game, Jelena must win. All right? So that means we only consider the 9 game. That is what the hint is trying to tell you. So we only talk about the first 9 game, correct? So now, what is the end here? Okay, can anyone tell me what is the end here? Ashley, what is the end?
Six.
What is the end? You are playing 10 games.
10.
But the 10th game, Jelena must win. So now we only consider the first 9 games. So what is the end for this case? 9. We only consider 9 games, right? So for Jelena to win, yeah, so 9 games. So out of these 9 games, Jelena must win how many games? Must win how many games? This is, you won one already. 6 out of 10. Right? So here you got one already. So it must be 5 out of 9. Am I right? Hello? Then
Yes.
it's got 6 games to 4. Win 6 games, lose 4 games. What is the probability that Jelena win a set? I'm talking about Jelena. I haven't stated the probability yet. Okay, out of the 9 games, Jelena must win 5 games. Okay, what is the probability that Jelena beat Martina in a game? What is the probability? 1/3. Am I right? So this will be your probability of success. So that means probability of Jelena wins a set of tennis 6 games to 4 means probability of X equal to 5 times by the last game Are you clear? So this one, you use your calculator. This one will be 9C5, 1/3 to the power of 5, 2/3 to the power of 4. Then this one is 1/3. Then you get the answer. Are you clear? Hello? I think all of you are with your biology already. No response at all. Okay. Any question of this? Any question?
No.
Some go and study biology already, out of the class already. No, okay. Let's discuss question 10. Okay, can you please read question 10? I give you some time to read. If I got time, I will discuss question 11. Okay, this is a question from one binomial get into another binomial. Okay, can I finish reading? I expect you to finish reading also. Okay, let's talk about A. Can you tell me what is the number of trial? That is the number of traffic light, correct?
15.
Okay, I just write down properly so that everyone get it. Traffic lights. Okay, so that is 15. Okay, now, what is the probability? Okay, what is X? Number of time being stopped at the traffic light, correct? At any traffic light. Okay, number of times have been stopped at any traffic light. Okay, so probability of being stopped is equal to 0.6. So probability of being late. How will she be late? Is probability when if she stopped at more than 11 traffic lights. X is more than 11. Am I right? Yeah. Okay. So what I would do is I use 1 minus probability of X less than or equal to 11. So take out your graphic calculator, binom, CDF, yeah, 15 traffic light, 0.6 and put 11. Okay, tell me what is the answer? Uh, 15, 0.6, 11. Okay. Is your answer 0.0905, 019? So approximately 0.0905. Correct? Yep. Everyone okay so far? Good. So let's go to B. So now, find the probability that Shelley is on time for work each day of the 5-day week. Okay, so now, for this one, what is my Y? Okay, now I define different variable. Y is number of days on time for work. Okay? Of a 5-day week. All right? So what is the probability of success here? One minus being late, correct? Okay, so it's 0.9095. Got it? Find the probability be on time for work each day. So that means my probability of my Y equal to 5. So you see, I use different variable. See or not? I use different variable. I define. Okay, so do you get the answer? So you got calculator, as long as you know how to interpret, correct? Calculation is all done by calculator. So this one you use binom PDF. Okay, 5, 0.9095, 5. Okay, key in. You can do much faster than me. Okay, so you get 0.622319. Okay, so it's approximately 0.622. 3 significant figure. Okay, Anat? Okay, Shelley want to increase the probability in B to at least 80%. Wow. She decided to leave home a little earlier. So she must now be stopped at more than 12 traffic lights in order to be late. Has Shelley achieved her goal? Justify your answer. So, how to do part C? Part C means you have to repeat part A and part B. Are you clear? So now, first of all, I have to find probability of X greater than 12. Because so that she must now be stopped at more than 12 traffic lights in order to be late. More than 12 traffic lights. So get this answer, please. See whether she achieved that or not. So this will be 1 minus binom CDF 15, 0.6, and 12. $15, 0.6, and 12. Okay. Huh? Okay, I forgot to minus 1. Okay, never mind. Minus 1. Okay, so I got 0.02711. Am I right? So now I'm talking about y equal to 5. So I use binom PDF 5. Okay. Plus 1. So this is 0.972. Correct? Am I right? 973. 973, ah? And here is your 5. So you go to binom PDF. Has she achieved? Nine, 7, 3, and 5. Paste, paste, paste. 0.872. So it's approximately 87.2%. So it's more than 80%. Hello? Are you clear? So you see, from this binomial, get into another binomial. Then I change the scenario. So you have to repeat. Okay, Anat? Okay.
Yes.
I don't think, okay, I don't think we have time to discuss 11. Okay. You are very anxious for biology. Is everyone in the class? Is everyone in the class take biology? Yeah?
No.
No, some of you know. Okay. Some of you know. Okay, so those who are not, you stay. Those who are taking biology, you can leave now. Later you can watch the video. Okay, I let you leave. Okay, you can leave now. Then I will discuss question 11.
Thank you, Miss.
Yeah.
Thank you, Miss.
How many left? Okay. So we discussed 11. Then they can watch through the video. Okay. Shall we? Okay. Question 11. That is in page 214. Okay. Can I not? Okay. So now can you tell me what is the n? 20. Okay. What is x? You define your variable. You want to talk about fail, correct? So we will say number of solar component okay. Number of solar components fail to work in a year. Okay. Out of the 20 lah. Okay, so probability of fail okay, 0.85. Okay, find the probability of the hot water unit will fail within a year. Okay, fail within a year means all the solar panel fail. Okay, all the solar components fail. Okay, so that means probability of x equal to 20. So you use binom PDF 20, 0.85 and 20. Okay, do you get that? Okay, let's see. Binom PDF, 20, 0.85, 20. Okay, so the chances is 0.038759. So approximately 0.0388. Yeah. Fail, huh? So find the, okay, can I? So they say find the smallest number of solar components required to ensure that the hot water service like this one is operating at the end of 1 year will be probably, okay. So what is the probability for this one? For this one, what is the probability of operating after 1 year? Okay, this one will be 1 minus 0.0388, correct? Which is 0.96. 96 what? 9612, correct? So now, if we want to follow this for part B, okay, so now you don't know n, you want to know what is n. Okay, what is n? So that probability of fail is 1 minus 0.98, which is 0.02. So now how are we going to work on this with our GC? We will use the method called try and error. Okay, so now I'm going to use n. Look, so it must be smaller than 0.02. Okay, so now I'm going to use n equal to, here is 20, correct? So the first one you are going to try, what are you going to try? 21. Yeah. So I'm going to try like that. So I'm going to find probability of my x equal to 21. Okay. Now use your calculator and calculate. You try and error, then you record down. So you go to your binom PDF. What you can do is just now that one, correct? You can put second enter. Then you just need to go there, change all the 20 to 21. Okay. Then you get 0.0329. Look, it doesn't drop much, am I right? So now we let us be brave a little bit. We try with n equal to 30. Okay, then we find the probability x equal to 30. Okay, so now you put second enter, change all the 21 to 30. I hope you are following me, huh?
Yep.
Okay, so I got this. Oh, too small. 0.007. So they say, what is the smallest number? So this is not the smallest number, correct? So next one, what do you want to take? So you record down. Then after that, you suggest to the, so now you can just try. So you can try with 21, 22, 23, up to you. So now I try with n equal to 25 and see. So this is called try and error, because you got your graphic calculator. So try and error is the best way to find n. Okay, you can try until you get the smallest number. And you record down. Oh, I got this one. 25, I got 0.01719. So now I try to find another one, 24, see how it go. Are you clear? You record down, then you make a conclusion. So listen, this is a try and error method. Haha. So now I got 0.020232. So which one should I take? Should I take 24 or 25? Hello, class? Definitely should be 25. Because you say that at least 0.98. Do you see or not? That means the probability I get must be, failure must be smaller than this. I want it to be smaller than 0.02. So this is more than 0.02. Are you clear? So therefore, from here, you make a conclusion. This is the smallest. This is the smallest number because the probability must be less than 0.02. You get me? Are you okay?
Yep.
Okay or not? So whether to find N or to find R or to find P, right? You have your graphic calculator. You can try until you get the answer. Get me? Try and error is a method, especially for binomial distribution. Okay or not? Okay, so the answer for B will be, the smallest number will be 25. Okay? So you can try all the other questions by yourself. So that tomorrow I can discuss the whole thing in chapter 7 with you. So that Wednesday lecture, I can go into chapter 8. Yep. Okay? Okay, thank you, class.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Mr.
Mm-hmm.